Premiere Pro, just start a new project, and then go up to Premiere Pro and then your preferences. Open up the Premiere Pro timeline settings, and here you'll see your still image default duration. It might be set to 60 or 100 for you. This is the default duration that your photos will be when you place them on your timeline. So for me, for a stop motion, I would like to change this to something faster. And so for me, 2 frames is probably right. Or you could change this to seconds, and you can choose a specific second or fraction of a second. Now let's import our photos. So I'm just gonna select all of our photos. Of course, you might want to go ahead beforehand and organize your photos to make sure they look good. And we can now bring in all of our images. So let me just select the first one and then shift click the last one, and now drag it into our timeline. And you want to make sure that you click the first one first and then shift click the last one. Okay, so now I have a basic stop motion and I didn't really have to do much.